Today we will discuss about the topic of aggregate functions. Aggregate functions. Aggregate functions in DBMS takes multiple rows from the table and returns a value according to the query. According to the query, it returns the value and it takes multiple rows. Aggregate functions are used in select statement. In select statement, we use aggregate functions. We have 5 types of aggregate functions, or else it is divided into 5 types. One is average, maximum, minimum, sum, and count. Here, average. Syntax for aggregate function is select function name, parameter from table name, and a semicolon. This is the syntax for aggregate function. If you go for the first type, average, here average function returns an average value of the numerical column. For a numerical column, it calculates the average value. For example, here we consider the table of employed and salary. If you wanted to calculate the average salary, then we use to have the syntax average. Select average column name from table name. And second is maximum. Maximum function is used to find maximum value of the selected column from the table. This is if you go for this table, if you wanted to have the maximum value of the salary, maximum salary, then we used to write the syntax select max column name from table name. We should not forget select max column name. Max not table name. Max column name from table name semicolon. This is used to give the maximum value of the table, maximum value of the column name. Minimum. This function returns minimum value of the selected column from the table. And this syntax, its syntax is select min column name from the table name. If you go for the sum, this function returns the sum of the selected columns from the numerical value. It returns the sum of the selected value. It calculates the values and gives the results. For this, the syntax is select sum column name from table name. For example, if you wanted to know the sum of the salary, then we use it to get this syntax. We use it to write this syntax and we get the results or output. This count. It returns number of rows in the result. It does not count the null values. It has divided into 3 types. It does not count the null value. If the null value is there, then it won't consider. It considers as there is no value. So here are 3 types: count, hash star, count column name, count distinct column name. Here count star. It counts all the number of rows all the number of rows of the table, including null values. This count also counts the null values. This count column name, it counts number of non-null values in the column name. If here it does not count the null values, except null values, it counts the all values. Null values not, so it is non-null values, it will be calculated by this count column name. Here the third one is count distinct column name. It counts number of distinct values in a column. It also counts the null values and it also counts the values. Null and non-null, it will calculate by the count distinct column name. And here distinct. Distinct is a keyword that allows us to omit duplication from our result. Omit duplication. That duplication means to twice the word, the name or the anything, the thing which comes 2 times, then it is duplication. It omits the duplication, so it is distinct. And this is all about the topic of aggregate functions.